What's up, everyone? It's Matt from Deb Matt Chat. I'm here, just me, by myself, because Deb's up in bed. It's almost midnight, which means cruise check-in is about to open for our upcoming cruise. Now, what I like to do is get everything ready in advance. So we've already taken our photos that we're going to need for check-in. They're saved on the computer, ready to go. I've got my passports ready, just in case I need to reference anything. But what I like to do is actually get my passport numbers for anyone in the traveling group and their Crown and Anchor frequent cruiser numbers into the a notepad document on the computer, so I can just copy and paste them and I have time to verify that everything's right. Why do I do this? Why am I staying up until midnight to do the check-in? I like to make sure that we get an early check-in time on the day so that we can maximize all of our time on the cruise ship when we're there on day one. So it is 11:59. I'm going to jump over now to the Royal Caribbean website. We're here, and I'll whack my details in, and we'll get logged in. Oops. Helps if I put the whole lot in. Okay, now we can see that it now says 45 days to go. It's just gone midnight. It says check-in unavailable, opens February 11, and any minute now, if I refresh this page, that check-in should come up and be available for us. Once it is, we'll then be able to get all of our documentation as well that you can see here. So let's just hit refresh. We're going to plan our cruise. It's not actually over here in any of this section, just so you're aware. Just stay in that main section on the page on your website. You won't have any of the details over here for doing your check-in. It's all done on that main page. Alrighty, so check-in is now open. You can see here it says start check-in. The time's 12:06, so 6 minutes past midnight, and the check-in has opened. We're going to click start check-in, and it's going to load up. You're required to download the mobile app prior to sailing. I've got the details here, reservation number 394, blah, blah, blah. And yep, so the reservation number's there. And who are we checking in? So I'm checking in everyone. I'm going to check all of my guests here. Going to confirm all the details, first name, middle name, last name, our Crown and Anchor numbers, travel document security. Come down here to the security photo. Now, we've traveled before with them. We've got to consent to the biometric data and photography use. We then click add photo. Now we need a minimum of 960 by 960 pixels. It needs to be high resolution. Should be a neutral or natural smile with both eyes open. Position of the face should be, and shoulders should be centered. So I'm going to upload my photo here. And I'm doing myself first. Save the photo. Put my contact details in there for the next person. Click continue. Well, document type passport. I forgot to put my passport in. This is what happens. It will prompt you for all of this information, which is why you want to have it with you when you're doing your check-in. So, March. Go through here, and the document number, which I already have over here. Paste that in, click continue. So you can see there, you make an error, it'll prompt you to fix the things. We've got Noah here as well. We'll do all his stuff now. Yeah, upload. Center the photo. Save the photo. Put your emergency contact details in again. So you can have different emergency contacts for different people. That's fine. That's not a drama. And then again, we do everything here. Now, it's really important in this top section that you are making sure that the first name, the middle name, the last name is exactly as per your as per the passport details. That's really, really important to make sure that. So this will bounce through now, and we're on the onboard expense account. So I can add a card here. So this is the other thing that's really important that you want. Now I already have a card saved in my account, so I'm doing that. I'm adding that one. I'm adding Noah to that as well. So it'll all just come off me, and I'm the dad of the family, and Deb and I have a joint bank account. It all just comes out of one. What's hers is hers, and what's mine is hers. Just kidding. But yes, anyway, so you add all that. So that helps get things done. Or as you can see, you could actually add individual account bank cards there if you wanted to, which is helpful if you are traveling with a group of friends. So you can, a group of people in a room, you can split the expenses and pay for each other individually. So now we're just doing here, if I just go through legal notice and a health acknowledgement here, predominantly this is about COVID-19, but just in general, it's around, acknowledging that changes could happen because of COVID and other things. So primary country residence and an acknowledgement. So I click continue. Available check-in slots. So this is the important thing. Now, even though we have the key, this is why I stay up and check in early so that I can get that 11:30 slot, and then I complete check-in. And there you have it. So now we have all our view Setsail passes are going to be here. We can also get them in the app. You can see there, and I blurred some details out, but you can see that's a digital version of the Setsail pass right there. So, not sure why that came up, but there you go. So the Setsail passes, you can click on them, you can see them, as we can see. It's Future Me here. I'm interrupting this video just for a moment. Bear with me, because one of the things I want to say to you is make sure you do have the app installed. I've got the app here on my phone. One of the things is, as you can see, I checked in via my computer. I like to do that. But straight away, the information has come through on the app there. We have our Setsail passes all there ready for us to go straight in the app. When we get to the cruise terminal on the day, that's what we need. That's also all we need when we're on board for that first couple of hours. I did mention that in a previous video. I'll link it up here. It was one of our day one review or embarkation day videos. You don't actually need to have your Setsail pass card, and you won't get that till you can get into your room. And if you get on the ship early, you won't have that because the cards aren't ready till the rooms are ready, and that's not until about 2 o'clock. So there you go. Make sure you got the app. All right. And we're done. So now I just click on that, go to my account, and I'll go back to the main page. I've just had an email pop in, which will confirm to me that I'm officially all checked in now. It will give me all the details. Now, why do I do this? Why do I stay up late? Even though I have the key, or we have the key booked, so we get the priority check-in anyway, we can get on the ship as soon as we want, basically, because with the key, you have that ability to check in at the same time, basically, as the suite guests with priority check-in. If something went wrong, or we decided we wanted to actually save some money and cancel the key reservation, staying up late and doing this check-in and getting that first slot, that 11:30 slot, means that we're on the ship having lunch, and we're able to enjoy the ship and start the holiday straight away by lunchtime. And that's the really cool thing about this. So, I think many people wonder, why do you do it? Like, that's why. That is exactly why we do it, because at the end of the day, for us, we want to start our holiday as quick as we can. It's one of the greatest advantages of doing cruising as a holiday, particularly when you've got a home port that you can travel out of. So there you go. That's how you check in. You can see the process there. Really quick and simple, really straightforward. Hope you enjoyed that video, and find it helpful for your future travel endeavors. Just remember, keep those passports handy, keep the wallet handy, and also keep any other details like your crown and number handy. If you've traveled before, and you will find that a lot of the details will pre-fill, they'll also pre-fill a lot of those details because you've actually made that booking previously. So just make sure that that's the case. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoy this and find it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We really do appreciate it. The channel's growing slowly and we'd love to get more people on board.